How the hell did we never find this place? Come on, I got the perfect mask for you.
Riley...
Perfect. Check it out.
What is that, like a wolf man or something?
Put it on.
So stupid.
Yeah, badass. Now roar. Roar. Ellie, really? Fucking roar. Roar! There she is. Now let's see what else this place has. Man, look at all this stuff. People bought this stuff? I don't get it. Wow. That was stupid. Those masks are even cooler.
What? Vampires are like my thing.
I am Count Dracula. Well, actually, Countess. I am Countess Dracula. Yeah.